Welcome. In front of me is a POCO F5 Pro, and today I will show you how you can enable and also set up your Do Not Disturb mode. So to get started, all you need to do is pull down your toggles from the top right side of the screen, like this, and look for the Do Not Disturb toggle. Now if it's not on the first page, which I don't see it in my case, can swipe to the left and this will show you additional page of toggles, and I can already see that the Do Not Disturb mode is right over here. Once you see this icon, if you're doing this the very first time, I recommend holding it. This will take you to the settings where you will be able to customize the mode itself. So I'm going to scroll down here a little bit lower to additional settings right here. Actually, no, my bad. The Do Not Disturb. And here we have several different toggles for the mode. Number one, we have the obviously toggle to turn it on and off while device is locked, so it will run only when the device is locked. Then notify about callers, we have none, which you might want to change to something else, like maybe favorite contacts or some other thing. Then below that we'll have notify about repeated callers, which basically allows people to reach you assuming they call twice within a 15-minute period, at which point they will completely bypass anything that you have selected right here. And then below that we have also schedule mode. So if you plan to use a schedule, you can add it right here, create one, you can name it whatever you want, and then set a start, end time, and also each day of the week that you want it to run during. From there, simply check it and automatically it will be enabled. So once the time approaches, so in my case 11 p.m., it will automatically turn on the Do Not Disturb mode. And in terms of the schedule, you wouldn't need to do anything extra. The phone will basically do everything for you, but for everyone else who wants to use the Do Not Disturb mode occasionally, all you would do once you set it up is just find the toggle, tap on it to enable it, and voila, that's basically it. Now, one more caveat here is that when you enable it, you'll also need to remember to turn it off, otherwise it will be running indefinitely in the background. And assuming you don't want all the calls to be, for instance, just like put away by the device, because that's how it's set by default for me, then you'll just need to remember to turn it off by tapping on it once again. So there we go. Now, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.